Today we will talk about the nuclear-powered attack submarine program that India is currently developing, and how India has the capability to build their own nuclear-powered submarine indigenously, without the need of any country's help. And we will answer the reason why India is building a fleet of nuclear-powered submarines. The journey starts in 1988 when India leased a Charlie 1 class submarine from the Soviet Union on lease for a period of 3 years. It was the first time any country had leased a nuclear-powered submarine to any country India had taken it for lease, because at that time India neither had the capability nor had the experience to operate a nuclear-powered submarine. So to enhance their knowledge, India took this step. After that, India again in 2012 leased another submarine from Russia for a period of 10 years. It was the Akula 2 class submarine that was named Inshagra. It was a much bigger submarine than India ever had operated. It had a weight of around 8,000 tons, also had the capability of firing nuclear-capable cruise missiles of range of about 3,000 kilometers. But since at the time India was not part of the missile technology regime treaty, it had to limit the range of the cruise missiles used in it to 300 kilometers. Also, India was not allowed to use nuclear payloads in their missiles. India has also signed a $3 billion deal to lease another Akula-class submarine, which will be handed out to India by 2025, codenamed as Akula 3. After decades of gaining experience, India had the capability and technology to build its own ballistic missile submarines. The first projects to be developed was the S-4. The plan was to build 4 ballistic missile submarines, of which the first, ARIHANT, started its construction in 2009 and was commissioned in 2016 after an extensive series of trials. ARIHANT was the test bed for the Indian Navy, and further improved their experience with an in-house built submarine, and to know what can be added in the future variants. This submarine had a weight of 6,000 tons, and was powered by an 83-megawatt nuclear power plant. It had 6 torpedo tubes which can shoot 21-inch torpedoes, but its main weapon is the K-4 missiles, which are indigenously developed and have a range of about 750 kilometers, which is very short when we check the range of other countries like America and Russia, which can easily have a range greater than 3,000 kilometers. That means, if India wants to attack any enemy, it has to send its submarines very close to those countries. That can result in the submarines being detected by the anti-submarine ships. An aircraft's to counter this problem, India is developing the next K-series missiles, that is the K-4 missiles. These have a range of 3,000 kilometers and can carry a warhead of 2.5 tons, and the entire missile can weigh around 17 tons. In 2017, the next submarine in the S-4 project started its construction, and it was named as ARIHANT. This submarine will be twice the size of the ARIHANT, having a weight of around 12,000 tons, and will be having capability of carrying 8 K-4 missiles, that is double that of the ARIHANT. This submarine will be delivered by 2020, and the rest of the submarines will also be constructed and delivered in the next decade.